We are proud to introduce our enhanced uniform auto H2O tape machine. The Interpack USA 2024 WAT is a revolutionary new water-activated tape case sealer. It is widely acknowledged that a case sealed with water-activated tape is the most secure closure for the content in the box and the easiest way to brand your products all the way to the consumer, who, as we know, will likely repurchase if the experience is a good one. As the market continues to evolve with higher recycled corrugate content, the need for a secure closure has never been more essential. IPG's patented self-cleaning wetting mechanism in our auto H2O allows for new packaging automation, which promotes higher throughput speeds, lower maintenance, and quick tape roll replacement. Now, closing cartons with water-activated tape is faster, easier, and more reliable than ever before. The Auto H2O is a user-friendly, operator-fed machine designed to apply IPG brands of water-activated tape to the top and bottom center seam of regular slotted containers, RSC, and is adjustable to a wide range of carton sizes. The Auto H2O was designed with operator in mind. Large tape rolls up to 4,500 feet process easily with the addition of a powered unwind roller. Each tape leg is wiped down twice to assure a complete bond with the case. Maximum uptime is achieved by eliminating frequent changes of smaller rolls. Our new Auto H2O machine takes on tape roll replacement complexity and simplifies it with a pneumatic carriage on the lower head and easy access mandrel on the upper tape head. Operators will also appreciate IPG's patented self-cleaning adhesive activation technology in the Auto H2O. This results in reliable and consistent adhesive activation, further reducing downtime driven by maintenance on competitive methods. Other world-class features of this creatively designed and engineered Auto H2O include 3 modes of operation: top and bottom, top only, and bottom only. Offset taping heads to process cases as low as 5 inches tall. Slide and lock case height adjustment. 2 1/3 horsepower gear motors. Digital display interface for quick parameter changes. Each tape leg is wiped down twice. Adjustable tape leg lengths. Removable tape heads for easy routine maintenance. Processes large tape rolls up to 4,500 feet in length depending on grade of tape. Water heated to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and more. When you compare features, benefits, and value, the Auto H2O is the right choice for operators, plant engineers, maintenance, and purchasing. It's built to last with heavy-duty construction for continuous operation. The revolutionary new Auto H2O, our uniform semi-automatic WAT case sealer, together with IPG brands of water-activated tapes, combine to provide a system solution unmatched in the market. Count on IPG.